Codex just shipped Mac apps for users. I'm John Pfeiffer, owner of Pfeiffer Digital, making AI easy. Today's overall progression and learning of what I would want to do is focus on Codex and the overall process of elimination of helping you as a small to medium business owner take back time in your day, automate your overall value, and give you presence and analogies to focus on. This is going to be step 1 to step 5, processing and giving you step-by-step instructions on how to make your day easier, fluid, as well as giving more time back in the day to check emails, to look at your calendar, set up appropriate follow-ups, and do it all automatically with AI and Codex with your $20 a month ChatGPT Plus subscription. Now, if you're wondering today what to do, all you need to do is this to get started and follow along. Go to ChatGPT/Codex, download Codex, and sign into your user account with ChatGPT. Now you have downloaded, as you can see on the screen, Codex, which is overall cloud code word as efficiency from the overall due diligence of what Codex and ChatGPT are trying to do today. So go to ChatGPT, find Codex, download it for Mac or PC, open Codex, log into your overall account, and now we're going to get started automating your business or automating yourself to ensure that you're following on task and that you can do appropriate tasks like I do as I automate 80 to 90% of my business through Pfeiffer Digital with AI with Codex today. Now, as we look at the Codex screen here, right, we have what more or less is a chatbot and the overall efficiencies of what can be included in that. What you're going to do first after you download Codex and sign into Codex is go over to settings, look at settings itself, and you will get a pop-up screen like this. Now, what we really care about, what it gets really exciting, is the overall view and a possibility of Codex is now eliminating the mobile app and getting that into instructions. I just made a short video about this through my social media page on YouTube and all the other ones. Check it out. It's going to be able to give you a dialogue of what Codex can really do quickly and efficiently within a minute. Now, as we look at this, we go, John, there's so many overall consortiums of things we can look at and add on to, right? So the more important ones and the ones I want you to focus on, right, it's when you go to settings, you're going to go to connections. This is where it gets exciting for me because now Codex has allowed you to do something they call in Cloud Dispatch, is allow you to use your phone like you have your ChatGPT app with opening your browsers, opening your overall connections within your PC itself. So meaning if you're on a sales call or if you're remote somewhere and you're saying, oh, man, I want to be able to use my PC, but I can't, right? But I have it logged in and ready to go at home. Now that's all possible with today with Codex and the overall facet of ChatGPT and what you can do. So as you can see here, I now 46 minutes ago have updated and added my iPhone. So more or less meaning that now I go to ChatGPT, click on the Codex button on my phone, and now I can go ahead and activate my PC to do tasks for me. Look at my emails, open up LinkedIn, open up Salesforce, make notes for me. Overall, allowing you to automate your day and save you hours and hours of times. Now let's talk it through a scenario really quick, right? You're on a sales call or in person on a sales meeting, right? A lot of notes. You're like, man, what do I do to add those to my CRM quickly and efficiently? Or what do I do to add those and make a note about this for overall leadership, right? You open up ChatGPT, do a voice memo, and utilize Codex. And that Codex is going to take that input information, open up your browser at your home screen here, and it's going to allow you to guide you, make it easy for you to understand step 1, opening the browser on LinkedIn, gathering information from, let's say, John Pfeiffer, Pfeiffer Digital, pulling that, scraping it, putting it into Dispatch for you, and then you can have, say, open up Salesforce for me, open up HubSpot for me, whatever CRM you utilize, and say, add that information into the HubSpot note and overall the voice information and voice memo I have today from Codex, from ChatGPT app. That is now done, right? Now I've connected my phone. All you need to do is go into settings, Codex, go to connections, and go to add, and now you're going to see this little pop-up. It is that easy. It'll now allow you to scan it with a QR code, open it up on your phone, access it, and now you can use Codex right from your phone, as easy as that. Now, the things to be important and ensure that you're doing things correctly is allowing this device to be controlled and keeping this Mac awake, right? If you want this efficiency to be enabled and at any point of the day you want to be able to use it for mobile friendliness, as small to medium business owners try to allow, do these two things, right? Now, as we get into this, the most important things, if we go back to the normal page, is plugins, right? Everyone's like, John, this is cool. I love it, but what can I do to make my way easy with Codex, easy with automations, and make my efficiency as the professional Codex man itself? One, go into Codex, log in as we talked about, go to plugins. This is just like Claude, go to plugins. You're gonna add computer use. You're going to now add, as there's this new feature, Chrome control with Codex. This is the coolest thing about it, is now with this, you'll be able to take screenshots and open up Chrome for you. So you do a chat for myself and Pfeiffer Digital saying, I want to find 30 companies around me to market to and find me their emails from my website. It is going to automatically open up Chrome for you because you've installed it and logged in. And it's going to do the work for you and to come back with a report and allow you to either use draft your emails from Codex or allow you to do it yourself. So number two things you need to install right away from plugins is computer use to allow you to use your computer. Two is Chrome extension. And then we'll get down into Gmail, right? As you're saying to Codex on your phone or your desktop saying, hey, read through all my emails today and find me the ones that are at priority one, and I need you to respond and create a draft for me immediately. Once you install this Gmail overall efficiency, done, right? Really quick, really easy. That is how fast and efficient it can be to use Codex on your phone. It can how fast and easy it can be to use Gmail on your phone, computer use on your phone, or do daily tasks, right? As we talk about this from the linear perspective, right? We have automations. All you need to do is create a new automation, tell it what you want to do, select a work tree, a local view, select a project of Pfeiffer Digital for me, and daily, weekly, whatever it may be. Now what it's going to do is we go into a new chat. You will see it's going to use all the plugins that I have already built in to Codex. And it's going to allow you to automate every day at 9 o'clock to say, hey, I'm John Pfeiffer, Pfeiffer Digital. I want to go into my Gmail, look at all the important trash because I have thousands of emails as a small to medium business owner. And I want you to look at the ones and prioritize them, focus on them, help me to set up calendar invites. And if someone has sent me a calendar saying, hey, I'd like to meet with you to talk about an opportunity, whatever it may be, take that as a priority one, actually draft an email for me and put it in my draft within my Gmail, right? So now we automated your business quick, efficiently, and fast. This is how easy it is with Codex. Make your day efficient, easy, and understandable. We have now went from step one, installing Codex from ChatGPT.com. We have now went to step two, to allowing computer use and mobile use of your phone from ChatGPT app with Codex. We have now went to step three, installing plugins that are important to allow you to understand your overall efficiency of what's going to do, computer use, Chrome extension, Gmail, Google Drive. Well, those are all plugins that you can search and find and install quickly. And then we went to a chat to split up automations efficiently, quickly, to say every day 9 o'clock, every day, every weekday, whatever it may be, to allow your day to be easy. That's going to generate a report and give you your full value back in your day, right? Your sales, your owner, your CTO, CEO, use this today to allow for your business to be automated, efficient. And if you need help setting that up, go to pfeifferdigital.com/start, and I will be happy to either build it for you or make this efficient and easy for you to understand so that you can set up your business and make step one, automating your business to make sure everyone has more time back in their day and that you have more efficiency for what you can do.